Hi, I'm Janis, and today we're going to soup up your Facebook fan page. So basically what we're going to do is take a bit of content from your website or your blog, so a couple of really nice images, some little bits of text, and use those to create a nice welcome tab for your Facebook page, so that when people come to your page for the first time, they'll see something that's a bit more visually appealing. So we're going to use a free tool called Pagemodo, and there are other apps out there, and there are premium apps as well, but basically this Pagemodo is it's just incredibly easy to use. It's sort of a drag and drop interface. It's got plenty of templates built in, so you can use it to create just a welcome page or to actually showcase your products, and you can build in links and stuff as well. So it's absolutely brilliant. I highly recommend it. So this is a two-part tutorial. Part one, we're going to look at how to choose the right template to suit your website or your blog, and then we're going to look at how to insert the images and maybe crop them or resize them if we need to. And then in part two, we're going to look at adding the text and changing around the fonts and things like that, and then installing it to your Facebook page. So make sure you watch both parts. So all we need for this tutorial is your Facebook login, a few images, a couple of little really brief bits of text. So for example, like the tagline from your site, or a little description, something that's very kind of punchy. And if you have a video that you'd like to include in your welcome tab, get that ready as well. And if you have any questions at all, just leave a comment, and if I'm going too quickly, just press pause. What I want to do is create a visual welcome page for realllykidfriendly.com. So I'm going to go into Pagemodo, which is pagebuilder.pagemodo.com. And then just click on Start Now for free. Sign in with your Facebook ID. I was already signed into Facebook, so it's automatically logged me in. And I'm going to create a new page. The first thing I want to do is choose a template that suits me. So there's lots of different templates that you can use. So for example, there's different welcome pages that are kind of a mixture of pictures and text. There's things that are very video-led, a showcase of your products, or reveal content. Reveal content is great for getting new fans. So for example, if you have a video that you want to hide until people have become a fan, or if you have in this case, for example, if you have a shop and you've got a special voucher code here that's only available for Facebook fans, you would essentially write your voucher code on here, and it hides it until somebody's clicked the like button. So in this case, I'm just going to do a very simple welcome page. I'll click on welcome, and then I really like the look at this template. So I'm going to click on Customize. Right, so here's your template. And along the left-hand side, you can change the images or the text that goes on that template. So all you need to do is hover over something to see what it is. So for example, when I hover over this bit that says Picture 1, it shows me where Picture 1 is. Picture 2, Picture 3, Picture 4, etc. A little bit lower down, you've got the design of the text boxes. So for example, whether you want little stripes here, or slanty, or if you want different colors, or no box at all. And then these sections below are for updating your text. So you can change the text, you can change the font, and you can add in links. So I'm just going to fill in a few bits and pieces to flesh out this page. So picture 1, I need an image that is
519 by 88, so I'll browse. Now you can change how this appears if you like, so I can rotate it. Obviously I don't really want to rotate it, but I could if I wanted to. And you can zoom in or out. If, for example, you had a picture that was too big or too small, you can just sort of do some really, really basic cropping in here. And then click on Done. Picture 2. I've chosen some really nice summary images from my website. So I'm going to go with that one. And actually, I'm going to change around the first picture, so not the first picture, picture 2, because I think I want something a little bit more summary. That's a nice one. Zoom that one right in. I'll just drag that across. Perfect. So these are my kind of intro pictures about the website, just nice, happy summary photos. Along the bottom I want to have pictures and links that go specifically to certain areas of the site. So for example, I'm going to talk about competitions I've got running at the moment, or some really interesting content that I want to promote.
So that was part 1 of our Pagemodo tutorial. Now you should hopefully by this point have a template that has a few images in it and looks kind of nice. And the next part we're going to look at how to insert the text and change the colors and the fonts, and then how to install it to your page. So make sure you watch part 2 as well. Bye!